Okay, this is a tutorial for replacing a cracked or otherwise damaged LCD screen on the Lenovo Thinkpad Edge E420, and it has a 14-inch matte screen that we'll replace with another 14-inch matte screen. Okay, first make sure that the power is disconnected and remove the battery, which we've done. Then use a screwdriver or a pick to remove the 4 rubber screw cutters to gain access to the bezel. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, then remove the 4 bezel screws with a Phillips screwdriver. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, pry open the bezel, working from the side and lifting along the bottom and top edges. And it'll pop out one tab at a time. So from one side to the other. Okay, I'll set that aside, the bezel. Then with the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws holding the LCD panel to the hinge frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. And once we've done that, we can take the screen and flip it and lay it on top of the keyboard. Then disconnect the video cable from the screen. And it has some tape on it, so you need to pull back the tape. It comes off easily. Okay, you can remove the old screen. And then your new LCD panel might come with a protective pad. Otherwise, you can place a paper towel on top of the keyboard for protection. Set it down on the keyboard. Then we'll connect the video cable to the new LCD panel. And you want to do this gently. This will not cause any damage. Make sure they line up properly and that it's completely seated. And then reconnect the tape, or you can apply new tape if the original tape won't stick. Alright, we'll flip the screen back over. And align it with the other side so that the screw holes line up. Then remove the protective film as you're doing that. And screw back in the 4 hinge frame screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 'Times they don't go in very easy. Okay. Okay, then you'll take the bezel and line it back up. Snap it into place gently. One side, then the bottom and top, over to the other side. Make sure all the tabs snap back into place. Okay. Then screw back in the 4 bezel screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and replace the screw covers. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. Okay. Then the final step is to test the screen by plugging in the battery and the power cable. Then press the power button and there you go. You can press the power key, hold it down, and it'll turn back off.